What's up everyone, iFranTech back here, and this video is all about iPhone 12. iPhone might be the only phone in this world whose rumors, leaks and renders start floating around the web just after the launch of every new iPhone in September. And now, since only 5 months are left for the launch of new iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, we have almost everything out there. So, the iPhone 12 Pro design has leaked. It's the final form confirmed by multiple reliable sources. The leak basically originated from iOS 14 early build, which will be releasing in September along with iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. As Apple is in final stage of prototyping, this is an instruction manual for the upcoming iPhones depicting the new LIDAR sensor and how Apple will be equipping their upcoming 2020 iPhone 12 lineup with this sensor. Considering the LIDAR sensor in the iPad Pro 2020, it made sense that the LIDAR sensor on the iPhone 12 Pro would also be smaller. The flash will be at the center and the microphone will be somewhere mounted between the lenses at the bottom. So all these renders and 3D models has been confirmed by multiple reliable sources such as Concept iPhone on their Twitter handle. Here you will see 4 different camera module prototype design, and the final one as of now will be shown in this video. Now, as the Apple is moving for a 5G model in the Pro series of iPhone, that is iPhone 12 Pro, we might see wider antenna bands for a better 5G reception, and also the LiDAR sensor that will look something like this internally. Here you will see how it will look from inside. All the 3 camera lenses, that is the wide angle, ultra wide, the telephoto and the new LiDAR sensor with flash at the center of the camera module. Now this design gives a more uniformity to the overall design structure of the camera module. So this year iPhone will most probably be coming in a boxy design, and by boxy design I mean just like the design of an iPhone 5s, and it will be the best thing to happen for any Apple fan. So if I talk about the display, it will have a 120Hz ProMotion display, the all new camera system with the introduction of the new LiDAR sensor that you can find in the new iPad Pro 2020 as well. The notch will also be getting smaller, and all the sensors which you used to have now will also be available in that. There will be 4 different iPhone 12 models this year as shown in the graphic. So the lower end, that is the 5.4 inch and the 6.1 inch iPhones, will be aluminum based, and the larger, the 6.1 inch and 6.7 inch iPhone 12 Pro models will be stainless steel with a smaller notch. So only the high-end models of the iPhone 12 Pros, that is 6.1 inch and 6.7 inch, will have the additional LiDAR sensor and 3 cameras, and the lower end iPhone 12 models will not have 3 cameras and a LiDAR sensor, but only with 12 lenses. It's good to have more options this time, and I think Apple is listening to its customers. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro till now, not fully detailed, fully accurate, but this will be the overall design. And now the tentative pricing list of this year iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. So if we go by the history of Apple and the price of the new iPhone SE 2020, this pricing model seems to be working quite well for Apple. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for part 2. There is a lot more coming from the world of Apple. I hope you liked the video, and if you do so, do like the video, share the video with your friends, and just give a subscribe to the channel. My name is Farhan, this is iFranTech, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and stay at home.